ready to skyrocket your sales with a limit time offer. Let's build an irresistible sale event on Kajabi, step by step. First things first, navigate to your Kajabi dashboard and click on the Marketing tab. This is where all your promotional magic happens. We're going to create a new automation. Click on Create Automation, and then select New Automation. For your sale event, the key trigger will be a specific date. Under Triggers, select Date, and then choose Specific Date. Enter the start date and time for your sale. Now for the exciting part, the action. Under Actions, choose Apply Offer. This is where you'll select the very offer you want to put on sale. Don't forget to set the discount you want to offer during the event. To make your sale visually appealing and drive urgency, let's create a dedicated event page. In the Actions section, select Create a Page, and then choose a landing page template. Once your page is created, it's time to add the urgency elements in the page editor. Look for the Widgets or Elements section and add a countdown timer. This will visually show your audience exactly how much time they have left to snag your offer. You'll also want to add a prominent promotional banner. This can be placed at the top of your page, clearly stating the sale details like limited time offer, save X%, and the end date. Make sure you have a clear call to action button. Link this button directly to your offer's checkout page, so it's easy for customers to purchase. Finally, don't forget to announce your sale. Head to the Emails section in Kajabi to schedule promotional emails about your event. These emails should highlight the countdown timer and the limit time nature of your offer. And there you have it, a powerful sales event setup on Kajabi, designed to create excitement and boost your revenue.